Want to know the most expensive problem in your shop? It may not be labor, parts, or rent. It may be a leads you never answered. Most owners focus on getting more traffic, but traffic is only half the battle. When calls go to voicemail, forms sit untouched, or after hours inquiries wait until morning, those prospects move on. In this market, speed wins. The shops growing right now are using smart systems that respond within minutes, not hours. That means missed call textbacks, instant booking links, 5 to 7 touch follow up sequences, and automation that keeps conversations alive until a human closes the deal. This is how modern shops protect revenue already knocking at the door. Take a shop that spends on SEO and ads, but books only a fraction of inquiries. Once they add immediate text response and structured follow up, they stop wasting the leads they already paid to attract. Before you spend another dollar chasing traffic, close the leak. Audit your response time and build a system that captures every serious inquiry.